Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. So here I am with the exam timetable because you are going to write the examination on Sunday now, that is June 30th. Few aspirants have requested me to explain the timetable because it was given in Kannada. See, this timetable I have taken from the notification from school education website of Karnataka. Okay. So if you want the website link also, you can let me know in the comment section. I will provide it to you in the Telegram channel. If you have not joined our Telegram channel, you can join it. We also have a Telegram group. The links of the group and channel will be given in the description below this video. And also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe right now, and also share this very important information among other aspirants who are appearing for TET 2024 this time. And also make sure that you watch this video completely, only for few minutes. I think it will take only 5 minutes to explain this timetable. This video is actually very much useful for aspirants who are writing paper 1, paper 2 or both. Okay, so let me explain to you very quickly. As I already told you, the examination is to be held on 30th of June 2024. And this timetable it gives the timing actually. Okay, so here they are telling you the time to enter into the examination hall. Okay, so if you are a paper 1 aspirant, then you should make sure that you should enter into the examination hall by 9 a.m. that is 9 o'clock in the morning. And then they are telling about pravesha patragala parashilane. That means they will be seeing your admit card from 9 o'clock to 9:15. Then they are telling about pariksha kothadiಗೆ ಕೊನೆಯ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಅವಕಾಶ, means at any cost you should enter into the examination hall by 9:15 a.m. And then they are telling about pariksha ಪುಸ್ತಿಕೆಗಳ ವಿತರಣೆ. So they will be giving you the question paper, means question paper distribution will be done at 9:15 a.m. So this may take around 10 minutes for them to distribute the question paper. So at 9:25 you will be able to open the seal of the answer sheet where you will have the OMR sheet. Okay, and your exam will start sharp at 9:30 a.m. Okay, and this exam will go on till 12 a.m. that is 2.5 hours will be given for your examination. Okay, so this is about paper 1 timetable. Then coming to paper 2, this paper 2 exam is actually starting from 2 p.m. but again they are giving you the timings. You have to enter into the examination hall by 1:30 p.m. and then they will check your admit cards from 1:30 to 1:45 p.m. Then they are telling that at any cost you should be present into the examination hall by 1:45 p.m. After that they will not allow you to enter the examination hall. Okay, and then they will distribute the question papers at 1:45 p.m. and they will finish it by 1:55 p.m. and at 1:55 p.m. you will be able to open your answer sheets and your examination will start at 2 p.m. So 2 to 4:30 the examination will go on. Okay, 2.5 hours they have given. Okay, so this was the most important information which I wanted to give so that you can share among yourselves, and also make sure that please try to reach the examination center 1 hour early. Okay, so please make sure that if you are writing paper 1, you should be present in the examination center by 8:30 a.m. and if you are writing paper 2, then make sure that you are present in the examination center by 1 p.m. Okay, so this is very very important so that you can maintain calmness in your mind and you don't get nervous. Okay, if you get late, there are maximum chances that you get tensed and a little bit confusion may be created, which will lead to nervousness. So I want to advise you all to please reach your examination center a bit early, at least before 1 hour. Okay, then I really hope that you all are preparing well for your examination, and please be positive. Okay, on this note I will sign off. Thank you, all the best, bye.